So when we investigate the motion of an object relative to something that is moving, like the case of this boat here, we have, while the boat is moving, it is moving relative to water that is actually moving as well. So in investigating it, we should not be just using V boat and V water. We should be using something like this. V boat relative to the river, for example, or V boat relative to the water. V river relative to the earth or shore. V boat relative to the earth or shore. That's the way we should express them. Okay, here are two examples. In one example, we would like the boat to move in a straight line relative to the shore, relative to the earth. So the boat should cross straight from one bank to the one across from it. So to do that, the velocity of the boat relative to the shore or earth should have only this vertical component. But the velocity of the boat relative to the river should be this way, just to compensate for the fact that the river is moving in this direction. So velocity of boat relative to the river is going to be equal to the velocity of the boat relative to the earth plus the velocity of the earth relative to the river, which is the negative of this. Similarly, an airplane flying, if there is wind, so the velocity of the airplane relative to ground is going to be the velocity of the airplane relative to wind plus the velocity of the wind relative to ground. That's the way we should deal with it.